Good morning. Welcome to my channel, LibraSunshine Tarot. And I'm just in my bedroom, sitting up in my room, about to go take this baby to school. And I just want to give us some messages from my little bird's nest, the divine feather. These are so sweet. Ooh, already. This fell out, so this is it. These fell out. That's a lot. Okay, let's see if we can get her done. Beautiful. Please like, share, subscribe. Okay. Now listen. All the birds are going in a certain direction except for the ostrich and the duck. Yeah. The duck is facing them on, and the ostrich is going in another direction, saying, "Follow me." So the ducks, they're all going towards the duck. And here's the ostrich, ostrich. And it's going that way. Let's see. So the ostrich is saying the choice is clear for you now. Follow the wisdom and truth you feel in your heart. And the starling is going in the opposite direction of that little bird. Now is the time to get out into the world and connect in authentic ways. So working on being our authentic self. So maybe people have been in situations where they weren't able to be themselves, having to wear a mask. So then we got the parrot. So, okay, repeat after me. I am, I will, I do, I can, I am. Woo! All that I say I am. I am more than what anybody else thinks of me. What they think is not my problem. That's theirs. Okay? Their problem is what I think about them. How about that? Repeat that. Anyway, let go of others' thoughts, and opinions. It is time to embrace who you really are. Boom. Then we have, I gotta go. Flicker. Ooh, flicker like a light. Flicker. So flickers mean you better get it while it can. Flicker goes, I don't know, let's see. Now rhythms are coming into your life now. You are encouraged to trust and adapt. Okay. Trust and adapt, Flicker. They call her Flicker. She's so cute. Oh my gosh. I love it. The little bit of red, the back of the neck. Yes, honey, passion's back there. Thinking, okay, what's my passionate next move? They call me Flicker. I like a rhythm, don't I? I'm encouraging you. Magpie, do you with that long tail. Oh my gosh. Reevaluate your priorities. It is time to let go of what you no longer need. Okay, I've been purging. I got a lot of purging. I have so much. Osprey! Your success is now at hand. Allow the abundance to flow to you effortlessly. Okay, well, the abundance is flowing effortlessly, but the work is not. It is quite effortfully. Effortly. Okay, and then we got the duck. That was, they're all coming to. So everybody except for the ostrich was coming to the duck. Find comfort and balance in simple ways. You have support all around you. So yeah, they were coming to the duck for support because they need comfort and balance. And they're overthinking and keeping things like tougher than it has to be. Keep it simple. Smarty pants. Okay? Keep it simple. That's our message. Okay? Love it.